Today I'm gonna show you a beautiful condominium with 3 bedroom and 2.5 bathroom in El Tezal with owner financing. Come check it out. The first thing that we're gonna talk is about the location. Why? Because we are in front of the Blue Net, next to the Fresko, and the other side we have commercial plaza called Las Olas, and we are in front of the main highway, which is the Transpeninsular. It's very convenient for the investor that wants to rent this property for short-term rental or long-term rental, okay? Talking about the condominium, well, it's pretty large condominium. It's almost 1,500 square feet, which is amazing. And it has 3 bedroom and 2.5 bathroom. And it is fully furnished like the way you see on this video, but also we give you the option to purchase it without the furniture, okay? And also we have 3 bedroom and 2.5 bathroom, a beautiful laundry area, the kitchen, and also you will have a beautiful and big terrace. An owner finance is available with a 50% of down payment, and the rest you can finance up to 3 years at 8% of interest. Novo Tamar is a great option because we have an amazing amenities like a clubhouse, a big pool, we have gym, and also in this tower in particular we have a rooftop with ocean and arch view with an amazing jacuzzi, barbecue area, and the best part is pet friendly. And the amazing part, you have 2 options. You can buy it unfurnished for under $300,000, or for an additional $20,000 you can purchase the way you see it on this video, fully equipped and also fully furnished. I hope you enjoyed this amazing video, guys, and if you wanna make a tour or you have any question, let us know, and I'll be more than happy to support you and answer all your questions, okay? I will see you in the next video. Actually, I don't know what I actually said. I don't know what else to say.
You can say it's available fully furnished, as you see in the video.
Yes, that's what I was thinking. Oh, I forgot that. You put 50% of down payment, and the rest you can finance. Okay, let's do that.